How to fix lag on Bigo live stream. Lag is usually caused by a weak signal. Make sure you are on a strong Wi-Fi or stable 4G or 5G network. Avoid public Wi-Fi. It can be slow down your stream. Go to your Go Live setup screen, tap the gear icon and reduce your video resolution or bit rates. Lower settings, smoother stream on weak connection. Close everything except Bigo Live before going live. Sometime a quick restart clear cache and refresh your phone's performance for a better stream. Make sure you are using the latest version of Bigo Live. Go to the App Store, Play Store, search Bigo Live and tap Update if available. And that's it. Follow these quick steps and say goodbye to lag on Bigo Live. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more live stream tips. See you in the next one.